Alright, welcome to Cooking Around the World. The whole point of this is I'm a pretty decent cook, but I want to get better. I kind of come up with the idea that a good way to approach that would be cooking every country's national dish. I'll expose myself to all sorts of different ingredients and techniques from all around the world and yeah, get better, you know. So why don't I start with my own country, you know? I actually didn't know what Canada's national dish was, so I had to look it up. I was thinking, you know, could have been anything. You go West Coast, you got that wonderful smoked salmon, or Alberta beef, maybe some maple flavor from the great hardwood forests of central Canada, maybe something East Coasty, some of that famous East Coast lobster. But yeah, we'll put that one on the back burner for now. So, I'm going to start with Costa Rica's national dish, Gallo Pinto. Why? Well, I've been to Costa Rica and I've actually eaten this. It was like, I don't know, a couple decades ago, but it is delicious, and from what I remember about being there, they always had really good, fresh, vivid, delicious flavors. So give this one a go, something nice and simple, and here we go, Gallo Pinto, pretty much beans and rice from Costa Rica. Okay, so for starters, we need cilantro, onion, a pepper, which I don't have the right kind, so I'm using red pepper. Some old rice, or rice that I made yesterday. Then some beans that I soaked overnight in some water or something, yeah. And actually, if you're soaking these, I've never actually... I've cooked a lot of stuff, but I've never actually cooked black beans before. So add lots of water. I added some water, woke up this morning, it sucked half the water out of the thing, and I was like, oh no. Anyways, add lots of water. I didn't add enough, so I added some more like early this morning, and now it's good. The ingredient apparently that makes this actually Costa Rican and not, well, from other countries. Other countries around that area in Central America eat a very similar dish. Some use red kidney beans, but the ingredient, I guess, from what I've been reading, that specifically makes it Costa Rican is this Lizano salsa, which doesn't look like salsa at all. It's like some black liquid. I've never seen it before. It looks like this, so I don't know. But apparently this is the flavor that makes the dish. Alright, it's kind of like spicy, herby, a little bit tangy. Should be good. Grab ourselves a pan, throw her on, throw her on medium-high heat, and get that onion frying up here. A little bit of olive oil. Alright, first things first, once your pan's heated up, fire in your onions and get those frying down. Add some seasoning. I like lots of pepper, so I added lots of pepper. You like a little? Add a little. If you're like me and your wife likes to spend $7 million on a thing of salt, you can be a fancy pants and add flavor to salt. If not, just add regular salt. That's all you really need. Once that's cooked down for a bit, throw in your red pepper. Give that a stir and let it cook down for a while. And yeah, my stove is clean enough to eat off of, so I guess I will. It's been cooking for a bit. Fire in your beans. Add a little bit of the liquid as well, and if you're using canned beans, you can just add liquid from the can. It's all good. Give that a stir, let everything cook down. You want to get most of the liquid out. You don't want to have a bunch of water sitting at the bottom, so get rid of all that. And it's time to add the Lizano salsa. Throw in a couple tablespoons or eyeball it like I did, whatever you want. You want more? Add more. You don't add much. Give that a stir and then let it cook down so most of the liquid's gone before adding the rice. Then fire in a couple cups of rice and combine all that together. Lower the heat. Get all that clumps of rice broken up and just get everything well combined. Once that's all come together, fire in your cilantro. You can never really have too much cilantro unless you don't like it, but I do, and if you don't, well, it sucks for you, I guess. Turn off the heat, and once you got all that combined together, you're pretty much done. Alright, moment of truth here. Gallo Pinto. Alright. Really hot. Oh man. That's delicious. Easy. Let it take maybe 12 minutes to cook the whole thing. It's healthy. Friggin' awesome, man. That's why it's a national dish. Oh, that is really good. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm a brand new channel. If you could really help me out, or what would really help me out, is I don't know, if you see something I did wrong or something I did right or something you like, toss a comment down below. If you give the video a like, that'd be awesome. Subscribe, even more awesome. Not sure what country I'm going to do next. There's some I'm definitely nervous about because it's hard to even define a national dish. And some countries are really specific about their food. But yeah, excited to do the next one. And yeah, go cook yourself some good food.